Hello, I'm Leah Marlene. Welcome to this guided meditation. If you have never meditated before, this is perfect for you. If you have meditated a million times before, this is perfect for you. Because we are all beginners all the time, creating each new moment. It is how we show up for these moments in our life that determine whether we have a life well lived. I thought meditation was just for hippies. No, hippies do not have the corner on the market for happiness, emotional stability, improved relationships, better sleep, communication, peace, health, wealth, abundance, joy, the list goes on. If you are breathing, you can meditate. This is for you. If you are too busy, you can meditate. This is for you. If you barely even have time to eat, you're juggling so much, this is for you. If you want to improve your relationships, be present, experience joy, this is for you. You don't have to do incense. This is about your senses. You can use crystals, but you don't have to. You can literally meditate anywhere you are. Oh, I don't like meditation. I tried it once. It's not for me. It's like going to the bathroom. I'd rather just keep all that shit inside and then blame and complain. What? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? What? Meditating? Oh my gosh. What is it? Like a cult or something? This is ridiculous. What a waste of time. Nobody understands me. Instead, you can feel like this. Meditation provides a window into what's possible. You can sit and accomplish more than you ever have in your whole life by simply being, noticing, opening up to your life. Enjoy your family. Enjoy all the little moments that we can rush through, and instead we notice them. Breathe. Your life matters. You don't need all the things. You can just sit on your couch and breathe. Just be. So you may contact the love that's always within you. Creating space for yourself. Take a deep breath in and out. You can sit with your eyes closed or open. But what I'd like you to do here is to just focus on your fingertips. Focus on the sensation in your fingertips. And begin to breathe in and out of your nose. Nice and simply here, just noticing the sensation or lack of sensation in your fingertips and breathing in and out of your nose. Now begin to notice your toes. You can wiggle your toes. Find some appreciation for your toes. And then just let them rest and begin to notice any sensation or lack of sensation in your toes. And breathe in and out of your nose. And then begin to notice where you are seated in the space you are right in this moment. And just notice how your body is taking up space. And notice where it is not. And breathe in and out from your nose. Just noticing where your body is taking up space and where it is not. Beginning to notice the lighting and the temperature in the space that you are occupying. Without trying to fix anything, just noticing. And just begin to watch this person that is you taking up space where you are right now. And ask yourself who is observing and who is experiencing. Breathe in and out of your nose. And if your eyes are closed, just go ahead and open them now. And I would like you to look at some objects around in the space that you are occupying right now. Just being here now. It is all very simple. Our mind makes it super complicated. It's just about being with the mind for a little bit. So just watch your thoughts here. If you're following along on this meditation journey, today was day 7 of 100 days of guided meditations. If you haven't subscribed and hit the notification bell, this channel, please do so you know when these are posted and you can ride along on this journey in real time. But either way, you can do these anytime. And I thank you for taking the time to just be, to remember that you can just be present by simply noticing everything around you. Take a deep breath in and out. I wish you an abundance of peace along your journey into all of your now moments. Thank you so much for meditating. Namaste.